Today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, unable to join the network, and name of network you can't join. So for fixing this error, first thing you need to try is to restore your Wi-Fi router. So just try to reset it. So just turn off and turn on your router. Because many times it can be caused by some problems with your router. So another thing you can also try is to swipe up and just turn on airplane mode and turn off. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general. So just open the general, and in the general you need to find reset and just choose reset network settings and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how we can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.